Hello. What's your name? Midnight. How old are you? Good job. And how are you today? Sad? Oh no. Say I'm happy. Okay, give it a fun. Alright. Okay, now, Folk, can you tell me who is this? Grandma. Good. Good job. Uncle. Great. And aunt. Cousin. Good job. Oh, okay, good job. Alright. Now let's see. Oh, we're still here. We're still here. Do you know who are they? Family. Now let's count together how many members in this family. 12. Very good job. Okay. All right. Now let's turn the page. Okay, and tell me. Do you know who is this? Daddy. Do you know what letter is this? Good job. Who is this? Mommy. All right. Good job. Okay. Now, okay. Here. Oh, this is the story of Anna's baby brother. Okay. Let's start with who is this? And baby, or we can say Anna. Anna. Okay, now let's turn the page. Here, is Anna happy or sad? Sad. Good job. What about here? Is she happy or sad? Happy. Now, does Daddy play with Anna? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, give me a high five. Now, thank you so much and goodbye. Okay.